Spiders.
Like 2 across the middle. She said it would take between 2 and 6 hours.
What's that person doing?
That's now a red light you've just gone through with it.
Yes.
What are you doing?
What's a moron? Exactly, yeah. Yeah, that's Matt doing the driving.
Wrong lane, huh? Or were you trying to shoot past before we all went?
More pigeons. I think that's
A good idea. Are you going, not going?
Well, you can't yet because there's a corner.
Oh. Didn't need. It was a mistake. Okay, it was left on. Oh, he does want to go. But when he did, there was no indicator. Alright, okay. Make you twat! Wankers!
Whoops.
Are we in the correct lane, or are we going to push in? Of course we pushed in. Of course we pushed in. Both of you pushed in. You want to wait this little queue, including that taxi driver. Nice job, Pooba, blocking the junction. Did they teach that in the how to be a Pooba driver class? Red, isn't it? And then all of the people said in the house like,
Yeah. Everything's fine. We all just fancy a change.
yeah, it was a red light, wasn't it? Let's be honest. But they've just got red. How many? Has that van just gone through that red light? Yeah, he has. Nicely done. Yeah, okay. He's acting a bit late, that white one. Yeah. okay. The reason for the right indicator is there's some guy out on a national speed limit road on an e-scooter.
It's good, hey.
Could borrow it, but that is lazy. That looks safe, doesn't it? That looks real safe. Kid riding where your feet should be. You're one accident away from a dead or injured child. Brains of Britain.
I
Say otherwise.
message you otherwise.
Right. Oh. Jeez.
Yeah.
A massive hole in the road. Arnold on. We're in Arnold, and Arnold will remain on the right. Oh, that guy just flipping heck. You see that?
No.
Back end of his car just dipped down. Look at the giant crater there. Just fell into it, that one. Nice indication skills there. No indicator, no, didn't fancy it. Good job my telepathy was working.
Where would we be without the ubiquitous Mini? And here we have a rather ratty, in every sense of the word, Ford. And it's a Galaxy, but not as we know it. Sorry, Leonard Nimoy. That is an MG RV8. And of course a couple of indestructible Volvos. We have here a Triumph TR3A.
That I think is where that comes from. You may disagree.
No, I agree.
People like you when
That's a very nice Jag, mate. Very nice.
No. Sorry, did you want to reply to that one? No. Sorry, I didn't get that. Technology. Oh, bit smoky, isn't he?